Hello, mechanics. Welcome gadget hunters. Today, we have compiled best repair gadgets on Amazon.com. Some will make sure you don't lose anything anymore, while others will radically change measurement. You can find the purchase link for all gadgets in the description below. In order to save your time, we divided the video into sections. You can simply click on the section you are interested in and go.
Dropping and losing screws and get back to work with the Rack Magnetic Wristband. Our wristband is a third helping hand when you need it most, with 10 super strong magnets to hold on to nails, screws, and other metal components. No more fumbling through pockets or gritting nails in your teeth. The exterior is wrapped in 1680D ballistic nylon to handle anything, and the interior protects your skin with double-layered soft mesh that allows for max breathability. But it's not just for your wrist. Strap it to your belt or hang it above your workbench for easy access to the tools you need. Get back to working frustration-free and get that third helping hand you need with the Rack Magnetic Wristband. Get into hard-to-reach places and recover lost items with the Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool. Our pickup tool features 3 super bright LED bulbs built into the head to light up dark areas. Plus, the telescoping neck extends 22 inches and flexes 360 degrees to reach even the most difficult areas. And the head is magnetic to retrieve nuts, bolts, screws, and more. Stick the magnetic base where you need it for a hands-free lighting option. Constructed of military-grade aluminum, the Rack Magnetic LED Pickup Tool is water-resistant, shock-proof, and built to last. Don't let anything stop you from your work with the Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool. Once, cut once with the Rack Contour Gauge. Our gauge lets you copy any shape or object profile with ease. 182 thin teeth smoothly contours to almost any shape without scratching, for a perfect cut every time. Once the object has been contoured, just lock the teeth in place with our patented locking feature. Then trace and cut. Perfect for laying wood flooring, tile, carpet, molding, auto body, and more. The Rack Contour Gauge is durable with tough ABS plastic and an aluminum core. Plus, the flat profile makes it easy to store and transport. Make difficult cuts easy with the Rack Contour Gauge.